Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through an updated, easy to follow way to archive starred emails on the Gmail app so you can keep your inbox clean without losing track of important messages. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once it's loaded, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's that three-line symbol you've seen 1,000 times. Tap it to reveal the side menu where you'll find a list of sections for quick navigation. Next, tap Starred to view all emails you've marked with a star. This view helps you quickly identify messages you flagged as important. Scroll through until you spot the starred email you want to archive. When you found the right message, long press it to select. A checkmark will appear next to the email and you'll see additional options at the top of the screen. If you're archiving more than one starred email, you can keep selecting more items in the same way. With the emails you want chosen, look at the top of the screen for the archive icon. It usually looks like a little box with a downward arrow. Tap that archive icon, and the selected messages will be moved out of your inbox and into your All Mail archive. They'll still be accessible under Starred and in All Mail, so they're not lost. A quick tip: if you don't see the archive option right away, you might need to tap the three-dot menu at the top right to reveal more actions. But in most recent versions, the archive button sits directly in the toolbar after you've selected an email. If you regularly star important messages, archiving starred emails is a great habit to keep your inbox tidy while preserving accessibility. You'll reduce clutter and you'll still be able to find those messages later by searching or by checking All Mail. That's a streamlined method for archiving starred emails on the Gmail app.